What if I told you your college experience could crash before it even begins? Not because of your course, not your college, not your marks, but because of the way you packed your bags. Sounds dramatic? Tell that to thousands of students who pack fancy gadgets, branded clothes, and zero practicality, and then spend months trying to recover. College shopping isn't about buying things. It's about preparing for your next chapter, where every decision can either launch you forward or pull you into chaos. Today, we're not just making a list. We're building a blueprint for your success, survival, and sanity. Let's go. ACT 1. The Lifestyle Trap. Meet Ayush, top 5% in JEE. Gets into a government engineering college. Shows up with 2 massive suitcases, Nike sneakers, Beats headphones, Marvel bed sheets. But here's what he didn't bring. Extension board, soap dish, mug, mosquito repellent, and no storage bins. Within a week, Ayush went from fresh to frustrated. Why? Because college hostels aren't hotels. They're survival camps. Pattern interrupt. Ever tried hanging wet underwear over a chair because you forgot a drying clip? That's trauma. Here's what most students don't realize. Essential survival kit. Extension board with surge protection. Bucket and mug. Hostel bathrooms aren't kind. 2 to 3 lockable containers. For food/snacks/personal items. Mosquito net or repellent cream. Microfiber towel. Quick drying saves lives. Set of locks. For your wardrobe, suitcase, and peace of mind. But let's say you got all the practical stuff. What if I told you that what you carry actually decides your identity on campus? ACT 2 Identity Shopping. The question isn't, what do I need? The real question is, who do I want to become? Because when you shop for college, you're not just packing things, you're packing values. If you only carry comfort snacks, bean bags, fashion, you're preparing for distraction. But if you pack for growth, you're preparing for direction. Growth kit for skill seekers. Budget-friendly, durable laptop. Headphones for online courses and noise management. Notebooks, highlighters, sticky notes, journal or Notion setup. I'll figure it out after Freshers Week, right? Wrong. By then, everyone else already has. Coming up, how to avoid the biggest trap. Spending too much and still ending up with nothing. ACT 3 Spending Pitfalls. You're about to make your first adult financial decision. And most people get it wrong. Here's what a typical college cart looks like. Fancy bedsheet -1,200 rupees, Bluetooth speaker -3,000 rupees, limited edition sneakers -7,000 rupees, instant regret free. Try this instead. Smart budgeting formula, 50%. Functional needs, bedding, bath, food containers, room setup. 20%, growth tools, books, digital tools, accessories for learning. 20%, personal vibe, lights, posters, room aesthetics. 10%, emergency buffer, you will need it. Buying without a budget is like eating chips while skydiving fun, but definitely ending in regret. Even if you budget smartly, what if you still forget the most useful items? Let's fix that. ACT 4, the most forgotten items. You won't find these in flashy college checklists, but you'll crave them in your first week. Secret weapon list. Power bank. Hostel outages are real. Sewing kit. Your shirt button will betray you during Viva. Basic medicines. Fever, cold, acidity, ORS. Safety pins. Duct tape. Clip hangers. Laundry bag. Raincoat or umbrella. Small screwdriver kit. Torchlight. For those late night outages or wild electricity scenes. Don't be the person who borrows toothpaste, pens and scissors from 5 people in the same day. All these tools will help, but only one thing will keep you focused long term. Let's pack it in next. ACT 5, the Mindset Kit. Tech. You can have every gadget, every book, every brand. But if you don't carry the right mindset, college will eat you alive. Because no one's coming to tell you when to study. No one's checking your progress. There are no alarms, no parents, no teachers chasing you. That means one thing, freedom. And with freedom comes your power to shape your identity. Mindset Essentials. Curiosity over comparison. Projects over procrastination. Progress over perfection. Resilience when things go wrong. Saying no to what doesn't serve your goal. So before you zip up your suitcase, ask yourself, am I packing for who I am or who I'm becoming? Because college shopping isn't about having the coolest setup. It's about building the version of yourself that will dominate the next 4 years and beyond. Drop a comment below. What's the one thing you think every student must carry to college? Share this with a friend who's starting college soon. Help them avoid disaster. Subscribe for more real talk on how to thrive in college, not just survive.